Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import beats to Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And in the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search box. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import beats to Bandlab. So it is pretty easy and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So importing beats to Bandlab is a straightforward process. First of all, locate the beat you want to import. So it can be a MP3, M4A, W8V, or other compatible formats. Then launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device and click on Create button to start a new project. Click on the library or go and click Create New or click Create on this red button here. Then select Import Track from the menu, browse the beat file on your device and upload it. Once the beat is imported, you can adjust the volume, tempo, and pitch as needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.